Hey guys, Donald Yim, AIFD.
Jackey Lacey AIFD.
Today we have so exciting topic. We will talk about how can you become a better designer? How can you push your limit to become a better designer? Coming up. Hey Jackie, what are we talking about today?
One of the things we're talking about is pushing your limits and becoming a better designer, Donald.
What we can do to do that, to push the limits?
Well, I think one of the things that we have to do is we have to take chances. And by that I mean you have to experiment with the flowers. You have to take the chance to do a new design that you're not comfortable with. Sometimes you even have to find out how to do something that you do like in a different way. That way you appeal to a lot more people.
Just changing it up for your everyday routine, basically.
Sure, so many people say getting out of the box. I say burn the box. Do away with it altogether.
Okay, cool. So what other thing I can do to become a better designer?
Well, I think you have to challenge yourself on a daily basis even. One of the things that I found worked really well for me is that I took 30 minutes each week and I taught myself something. I actually ended up doing that every other day. So what I found that it did is I ended my day on a positive note, and then I was amazed at how much I was able to learn in just that short amount of time and continue to broaden what I could do.
Actually, I did that technique you just talked about a few years ago because I feel burned out doing everyday design, and it's just like customer keep telling me what to do and I don't have the chance to do what I like to do.
Sure.
So that half an hour basically give you a chance to experiment and play and have fun. So that is really important, and I find out that is really helping my style and my technique. You know,
Sure, I mean you learn how to do flowers a different way, or how long will this last. Sometimes it was even, I would just lay something on the table and see how long before it began to wilt. That way we know what our clients are getting, plus we also know how we can stretch and challenge not just our limits, but the limits to the flowers as well.
Okay, what another thing?
One of the other things too I would say is that you have to work with others. I like to watch Donald Jim videos because I admire what you do and your style. I like to see why did you do it that way, and try to figure out for myself how can I incorporate that inspiration that I get from others into what I'm doing and push my limits.
I always check out on social media or like internet and see what the other people are doing, because I just only have one brain. You know, I can't come up with like 10,000 different style, but you're not copying the other people. You look at this inspiration and try to how to incorporate it with your client, sell it to your client or sell it to your own style.
Sure. Taking inspiration from others, I say massaging it, and then it becomes mine.
That's good, that's good. What another challenge we can get?
I would say one of the other things, and this is really important and taught me a lot, is volunteer. For the first couple of years that I went to AIFD, I volunteered and I worked in the back room. I got to work with these incredible designers that I'd only seen their names. I didn't really know who they were or how they put things together, and it taught me so much from watching what they did, how they presented themselves. It allowed me to push myself and gave me sort of a platform to work for.
This few years we are so lucky to go to AIFD or go to different floral association shows. At the back room you will see all the action going on. It's basically a school for you to learn everything, what the other people do, how they do things differently, how they using different technique. That is the best way to learn, I find.
Oh, absolutely.
What is the last thing we can do?
I would say working with others. By working with others, I get to learn how you think, the whole thought process, and sometimes that's scary, buddy, I'll tell you. But you get to learn why they do what they do, so that you can see how you can change your style, or again, how you can challenge that.
And also, I think you have to, like we have a really good relationship, work together, because we are honest to each other. That honesty is really good, because you know, sometimes I scare what the other people think, and most of the designers have experience will worry about how the other people look at them indifferently. So if I have a friend, good friends, they will be honest with me and tell me what they really think, I will be really improved.
Well, and I think a lot of people look, when they see us presenting on stage and our comfort level, that, wow, I want to be able to do that. I'm scared when I open that door or when I step in front of the camera. I have to think about it, and I do think about what everyone else is going through in their minds as well. But that challenges me to do my best, to be prepared, and to learn as much as I possibly can.
Okay, thank you so much for today, Jackey, again, and helping me in my channel. And I hope everyone learn from his experience and our experience. We've done many mistakes to become challenge designer.
Absolutely. Challenge yourself every day.
Yeah. So see you later. Bye.
Bye.